Hey guys, this is Life with Louie and Tammy. Sorry I hadn't been putting out videos lately. This is the first one in a while. But on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put up a Coleman 16 by 42 inch swimming pool. I didn't get a chance to do it last year. We actually bought the pool last year, and I was gonna put it up, show y'all a video last year of me putting it up, but it was dark outside and I didn't get to put it up till late, so I'm gonna show you now how to put one up. So first thing I did was which I've got it pretty much leveled out where I want it to be from last year. I just put a little bit of sand in some spots because I had there were some roots that was showing, and that was from last year also. So I just put that sand down, flatten it out a little bit. But it's pretty much, it ain't quite a bit level. It's probably like an inch, if that, off on one side, which is the lower part. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put down a blue tarp. I don't have to show y'all that part because I'm sure y'all know how to lay a blue tarp down, or any kind of a tarp. So with the magic of television, okay guys, the tarp is down. And here's the tarp if you want to know what kind it is. If y'all can see that. It is a tear, weather, and crack resistant. Provides extra protection for the bottom of the pool. It's compatible with the above ground pool, and there's the size of it, 16 foot, and it's blue skate. Okay, now guys, I'm going to drag the pool out. Okay guys, I've got the pool spread out. It does need a little cleaning inside of it, but I'll do that whenever I get it set up. First thing you're going to do is run these through them rings that are on top, and then you'll slide it into one of them and it snaps in there. So we're going to go around the pool and do that, and I'll show you on a couple of them how to do that. I'll start from this side. See what I'm talking about? There's slots in here that you'll put this bar in. Might have to work with it a little bit. Okay. Then you'll take this, you'll take that, and it'll snap in here. You'll press that button, and it's locked in place. Well, I'll do another one like that, just to show you guys. Okay. And this part will have holes in it too. I forgot to show y'all that. Like I said, you'll have to work with it a little bit. Now if you leave the pool up all summer or all winter, you won't have to take it down and put it back together. Snap them in there like so. Okay, that one snapped in. So I'm going to go around and do the whole pool and show you what it looks like after then. Okay guys, I got all the top pieces put together. Now I'm going to show you how to do a couple of the legs. Okay, the legs will also come with the hole. The hole will be at the top. It'll come with these two. These are to lay on the ground, and they just snap together. Which this one's in there, so I'm not going to take it apart, but I'll show you how it goes. I'll do a couple of them for you. You just find that loop at the bottom of the pool, and then you'll just put that on, come down like that, and it'll snap on in there. Which I may have to pull the pool over that way. I'll get to that point here in a minute. It's looking like I might have to pull it over. So I'll do that, and I'll take these legs back off and pull the whole pool that away. Y'all get the idea of how it's going to look. I'll get back up with you after I pull the pool over and finish the legs. Hey guys, it got dark on me yesterday evening, so I had to wait till today on Sunday show you what it looks like with all the legs on there. Well, I'm going to get inside the pool right now and sweep up all the leaves and wipe down the walls. And then I'm going to start filling it up with water. And when the water level gets so high, I'll show you how to put on that, how to hook the pump up. So, I'm going to get in there and do my thing, so I'll catch you here in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm back a few hours later. I wound up having to get the pressure washer out to clean the inside of the pool out. It worked pretty good, got it pretty well clean. So I would recommend that if you've got one of these pools and you decide to take it down during the winter time. So now I'm going to show you how to put together the pump and the filter. I can remember this, guys. Okay, you got a T-fitting right here, and they just come with these kind of clamps. They're wing nuts, whatever you want to call them. And two of the short ones go at the top of the T-fitting, and one of the long ones goes to the bottom of the T-fitting. So, if I can remember how to put this together, we're going to do it. Yes, okay, I remember. The two short ones goes up here. One goes to side B, so we're going to put that over. Get it good and tight. And the other short one goes to side A. And then this, okay, now to figure this out real fast, guys. Okay, guys, this right here, set it on the ground, the pump. And so guys, I've done it wrong, I do believe. Okay. One will be your return hose. of the short ends hooked onto the return. So this is how it should be. Now I can hook this one up. See? Okay, now this pump has the letter A at the bottom, and the letter B at the top. B is going to be your lines. That's going to be going to the filter. So we'll hook that up there. Okay, I've got that hooked up. Now, other hose will connect to A. The other end A connect to the part on the pump where it says A. Rubber O-ring down there at the bottom. You don't want to get it till it's good or nothing. Okay, it's put together now. Let me walk y'all over here. As you can see, the kids is in there having a blast while the water is filling up. You got Jace. Say hi, Jace. They're having a blast and got Nezzy in there. So, guys, this is a Coleman lantern. We got it from Walmart last year. It was on sale for, I forget how much it was, but got a pretty good deal on it. And might decide to leave it up this winter. I don't know yet. But that's going to do it for this video. So if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, because you never know what we are going to do. Thanks for watching.